young people. All of them wear black. Come up for street for the Nigerian capital Abuja to mourn all those who don't die on top violence sake of insecurity for the country. They walk out from the Human Rights Commission, and now then they go Federal Ministry of Justice to go express their displeasure on top the number of people where just they die anyhow for the country. They say in recent, this is the fourth time where then they do the National Day of Mourning, and that's why you see say all of them wear black. Then they cry on top the number of people where don't die for the country. Then say the number of people where they die on top violence for different parts of the country done too much, and that's why they promote to tell government say enough don't do, and make government do everything possible so that then they stop the violence and insecurity where they happen for the country.
We are now at the Ministry of Justice. Ministry that should protect our
Okay, so una don't promote this afternoon. What you make this morning? What you make when I come out for street this morning like this? They wear black.
The thing will make us come out for this morning for streets to say we dey find justice for the people where don't die for this country. The people where unknown government don't kill. The people where governments never feel bring to justice for the deaths of their family members. We come out today because today is National Day of Mourning, where we say we dey mourn those people where don't die, and we dey find justice for their families and for the people where they leave behind.
Okay, so how long now don't they do this morning? How long this event don't they?
This event now the fourth year where we dey do and do this since 2018 to make sure say government at least respect the lives of those people where don't die and protect them so that the killings go stop, and those people where get responsibility to protect us go protect us and protect us well.
Okay, so now one of the people where just march enter street for the Nigerian capital be this. They say the number of death, the killing from every corner of Nigeria, say they think done too much, and that's why they enter street to come the Ministry of Justice to say make government hold those where they do this bad thing, to make it bring them to book, and those where don't die sake of insecurity for Nigeria, they say make them pay them their families some compensation sake of say the government no fit protect them. We know say several insecurity wahala don't dey for the country, both from the northeast, that's in Boko Haram from the northeast, we get banditry from the northwest, we get header farmer clashes from north central. So people, the kind of insecurity kasala don't dey for the country don't too much, and that the country they bleed as it be now, and that's why they come out enter street to tell government say enough don't dey enough, and make government do something to make sure say they protect the lives of innocent citizens, and those where don't die make them make sure say they get justice. So now meeting make where they enter street.
Justice. When I say Malami, you say we want justice. Malami!
We want justice!
Malami!
We want justice! We want justice! We want justice!
To the people of Nigeria.
We want justice!
Talk is to the people of Nigeria.
We want justice!
You will be fed.
We want justice!
We want justice!
Okay, so what you make where na enter street they demand for
We
justice?
want justice!
Why are you on the
It's
street
not
demand?
too much now. Every day, everywhere, same story. Either they kidnap Nigerians, they kill Nigerians. Nobody they even give all these people justice. It's not too much now. If you suppose you don't reach where people suppose come out talk say this thing don't do. You get people who will elect, we're supposed to secure our life. Security everywhere. Nigeria is not secured. Nigerians are not secured. Children cannot go to school. Children cannot even stay at home. You cannot even travel by road. It's too much. What we are just simply saying is give us justice, give us security. Enough of the insecurity. That's why we did this also. The tech government say make they just secure our lives. This country.
Okay, so here's the watch. This is the BBC Pidgin live broadcast from the Nigerian capital Abuja, where young people and civil rights group or rights group enter street to demand for justice and ask government make it do something concerning the security
We
when it
want
happens for the country. They don't move from Human Rights Commission, enter Ministry of Justice. They go National Assembly to go cry out to government, say now not time for them to make sure say they chook eye for the insecurity wahala where they happen for the country.
We want justice. We want justice.
They also say for the last few months, says through this month alone, say more than 2,000 people don't die on top of security matter, and that about 300 security people. Country. We know say some part of this year security outfits, security like police stations don't be point of attacks, and especially for the southeast where plenty attacks don't happen, and these people here say that one no good.
We want justice. We want justice.
Secure Nigeria.
We want justice.
And insecurity.
We want justice.
And insecurity.
We want justice. We want justice. We want justice. We want justice.
Okay, if you just watch or this now the BBC Pidgin live broadcast from the Nigerian capital Abuja, where young people, civil society group enter street to make demand, say make them end the insecurity wahala where they happen for the country. They say the country they bleed, and that waiting they come out today to do now to mourn those who don't die for the country. So when I talk to one of those where
Let's be passing to as many
So now come up for street today on top and this security matter. Why una enter street today?
because it is enough. Every day Nigerians are dying, and we live as though we do not have a commander-in-chief of our armed forces ruling council, that we do not have a president that can protect and fulfill his constitutional mandate. It is enough. Nigerians cannot continue to sit and wait till death comes to them. So we're demanding justice. We're demanding an end to the killings in Nigeria.
Okay, if not just the watch us, this now the young people will enter street. They will go National Assembly now to cry out to the National Assembly people. Stop, make them do justice for those who they don't kill, and also make them find solution to the link.